Hello there, I'm David Mark, best-selling author and the Goldster Creative Writing Tutor. Very excited to be able to tell you about an event we've got planned for this Saturday. I'm going to be putting you in the capable hands of my good friend Martin Edwards, who is an absolute legend in the crime writing community. He's going to be leading well, you know what, actually, Martin, that it makes it too difficult if I try and do your job for you. So why don't you tell people what they can expect from this Saturday's event?
Well, thanks, Dave, and I'm really looking forward to it as well. It will be a full day, starting at 10:30 until about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we'll be talking about the craft of crime writing, with particular focus on the traditional mystery, or cozy crime, as it's sometimes called, linking in with the competition that Dave has organised, A Marriage of Inconvenience, but also talking more widely about tips and techniques for writing crime fiction that really seizes the attention of your readers. What are the ingredients? What are the ways of making your work special? Something that stands out and something that lives and breathes as a work of fiction. So there'll be lots of opportunity for interaction, discussion, asking questions. I'll be on hand all day to guide you and to discuss some of the things that excite me about writing crime fiction, and that I hope will excite you as well.
Excellent, and this is going to give people the best possible chance to enter the crime writing competition. I've written the opening to a traditional cozy crime style novel, which participants are going to be given access to, and they're going to write the grand reveal at the end of this fictional story. So people will be coming away with the tools to be able to make their cozy crime stories really sing. Yeah,
that's it exactly it.
Excellent. Well, I mean, I know in my group we have a lot of people who could definitely pass for Miss Marple. So I think this is going to be the perfect opportunity to really flex those creative muscles. It's going to be great fun.
Absolutely, and my moustache, I'm afraid, doesn't compare with Hercule Poirot's, but we will have a great time on Saturday.
Excellent, we've got it covered.